Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Whether you're building your home or renovating it, I have the perfect bathroom light fixtures by SOLFART. I love everything about these light fixtures. They are great quality, and I really like that they're super easy to install. It comes with all the hardware and even gloves. You have the option to have the lights facing down or facing up. It'll look beautiful both ways. You are going to love these fixtures. They have a very retro vintage look. I really like that it has plenty of space where the light bulb goes since it makes it way easier to clean all the dust inside. You will receive so many compliments. These bathroom light fixtures are not only for the bathroom, but you can even have it in the entryway or your dining room. This is the bronze black, but it comes in other beautiful colors as well. And that's my point of view.